Peace and blessings, family. I got a fresh cut for the new cycle, and I'd like to send a special thank you and shout out to Bam Lit. He got me started investing, and because of his advice, I had a piece of target yesterday when it went this way. So thank you, peace, and buy more shares.
What's going on, people? Like, comment, and subscribe. Bam Lit the Ghetto Man. The reason why I keep going, the reason why I keep being generous, you keep being generous because generosity builds wealth. On top of generosity builds wealth, you start to understand your calling. You start to understand why the Lord put you here. You see this? Little for stop. This is what I do. I'm little for stop. You understand what I'm saying? The stock market. I study it. I live it. So I'm here to do the things I like to do and monetize later. Don't have to monetize now, long as you're being generous and you're giving back. Like a person have a problem with their finance and you give them a solution by changing their life, changing their habits, changing their family tree. So anytime I help one person, I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm doing the things I like to do. I'm successful in my own way. You understand what I'm saying, people? Get it. You have to be of service. You have to fulfill a need in order to receive. Being generous is anything. You could get up out of your seat and let somebody else sit down. That's being generous. You don't gotta always have money. But generosity builds wealth. I'm little for stop for a reason. I'm here for a reason. And all of you in the world is here for a reason too. You just don't know your calling and you can't tell your story. Because let me tell you this, right? When you don't have no plan, other people's plans become your plan. You start to worry about what another person is doing and how they're becoming successful. The sad thing is, there's a formula and a strategy for you to get loopy too. But you rather get mad and start pointing the finger, playing the blame game. You gotta learn to find yourself. Then you'll see your whole cycle start to spin and your brain start to open up for you to receive knowledge so you could change your family cycle. Change your family tree. Become successful in your own way. Like, comment, and subscribe, people. Bam Lit the Ghetto Man.